Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know data types in SQL. So let's see. SQL data types. SQL data types are like numbers will be segregated in one single category. Date time is it's a type of data type, and characters and strings, and Unicode character strings, and binary data types, and miscellaneous, which are come like a blob and XML, JSON. These are I have initiated into the miscellaneous. Let's see what are the numeric. Bit, tiny int, small int, which are integer like a numbers series from 0 to 9. What the numbers are going to be interacting inside will be treated as number or numeric or integer data types. So these are small int, the ranges are there, integer, big int, decimal, and numeric, float, real. So the number which is having a period will be called as a decimal or float. Irrespective of the data types, SQL will be treated. And date time. All you know that the date times are very important in software applications. So the database, when we are dealing with the database, will be treated first comes like a year, month, and a day. So here you want date or you want only time for the transaction, when the record is inserted, when the payment is happened, all when the attendance employees are going to be attending. These all the things will be tracking, will be done using date time parameters like a column data types only. Why we need to apply? Yes, these are the things are very important to apply. Otherwise you won't get database features. Behalf of database will be filtered the data. If you are strictly following and applying of these type of data types in your database, you will greatly you will get an accurate outputs. All right, now timestamp, date time, and character string, character, variable characters, and varchar max or plain text. Similarly, Unicode characters of the string, nchar, nvarchar, nvarchar max, and ntext. N is added for here for multilingual characters are also can be stored in a particular column. If you are chosen as a data type which is going to be inserting inside the column, that column data type is, if it is a fixed according to our requirement, which data is going to be inserting in that particular column. So we need to choose a data types very importantly. So the binary, var binary or var binary max or image. By choosing as a binary or image, we can store the images into this particular column. And any attachments or documents or PDF documents also we can be stored into the inside the database tables. And club, blob, XML, JSON, these are the formats directly we can store inside the database. We'll be seeing at next lecture how these are the database where we can choose while creating a table columns. I'll explain in next lecture using workbench. I'll see you there. Thank you.